Don Keating here from the Ohio Weather Center. Let's make sure this microphone is angled correctly. Here's a brief update on maximum, or I should say, no, I'm trying this again. Don Keating here from the Ohio Weather Center, and here is an update briefly on Major Hurricane Irma. It is moving to the west at 14 miles per hour. Central pressure is 28.32 inches, and the maximum sustained winds are at 115 miles per hour. You need to have winds of 111 or higher to become a maximum hurricane of level 3, category 3. And the information was as of 8 p.m. Eastern Time today, Sunday, the 3rd of September 2017. Now, this is a plotted map, a plotted course, I should say, of what the National Hurricane Center considers to be a possibility. In other words, that is, well, if I can find the information that I'm looking for, I'll tell you about it. That is the official forecast from the National Hurricane Center, the approximate route that is expected to be taken by Irma. You see the black outlined area, that is the cone of possibility. This thing could waver either way of the course that is projected by the computer models, etc. This is probably just an average of all of the spaghetti models that have been put out, and in fact those are forecast models, and right there they are. So you can see that they're tightly bunched in this area, and then once you get out here, this is heading into the islands just southeast of the U.S. It looks like it's going to take a sharp right turn up toward the southeastern coast of the U.S. That's the way things look right now. Nothing is etched in stone. Don't get excited. But if you know somebody down there, do make some precautionary preparations now in the event that this thing in a week or 10 days or whatever happens to be heading in your direction. As of now, again, the information right here, moving west at 14, that's expected to curve more to the northwest soon. Central pressure 28.32, maximum sustained winds 115 miles per hour, and this information was as of September 3rd, 2017. Now, just to give you a brief update of what's going on here in Ohio, and that would be next to nothing, really. Let's take a zoom and take a look at what's going on here in Ohio. I will drop all of the information for you from Hurricane Irma. A trough moving southeastward, you wouldn't even know it because there's no precipitation associated with it, and very little in the way of clouds. These are infrared images, and there's a streak of clouds out here in central Indiana. Otherwise, boring, and yes, I must admit, I was disappointed that we didn't get more rain than what we did from the remnants of Harvey. I picked up 14/100ths of an inch of rainfall here in my gauge in Cumberstown, and some places just across the Ohio River picked upwards to 1/3 of an inch, but boy, that was it. So Tuesday we have a frontal system moving through here. Let's hope that that produces some much needed rainfall, because if it doesn't, we're going to be getting drier than what we are now. So that's about it for now. We will keep you updated from time to time on Irma, what's going on with her. She's still several days away from the U.S. coast. She may not even hit the U.S. coast, but we want to be on the alert side in the event that something does happen with her. And you never want to say never, as the folks in Texas and Louisiana unfortunately are well aware of. Have yourselves a wonderful Labor Day. Until the next time, from Ohio Weather, I'm Don Keating.